common misconception that people have when they move into a home, period, is they just assume their garage door is fine. Because most homeowners don't get a garage door 101 until we show up and we go over everything with them. It's usually the first thing that we do is we go over a 25-point safety inspection. A lot of the times with the customer, especially if they're a new homeowner, we like to make them informed of everything that makes this thing operate and what you need to look out for in the future. And then we will give you recommendations on either keeping an eye on it, doing your regular maintenance, or even do a preventative maintenance if you want to replace things with high quality, long lasting, high life cycle, low maintenance materials that we offer. Check with your insurance, because a lot of the times an insurance company will give you a discount on your insurance depending on the wind load of your garage door. Not only that, but it also adds curb appeal and resale value to your home.